Amending your Articles of Incorporation in Florida is a crucial process that ensures your business remains compliant with state regulations while adapting to changing needs. This video will guide you through the amendment process, highlighting key steps and common scenarios. The process of amending Articles of Incorporation in Florida involves several important steps. First, you need to determine the specific changes required. This could range from altering your business name to modifying your corporate structure. Once you've identified the necessary amendments, you must prepare the amendment document, clearly outlining the proposed changes. Next, obtain approval from your board of directors and shareholders if applicable. This typically involves holding a meeting and passing a formal resolution. After securing internal approval, you'll need to file the amendment with the Florida Department of State Division of Corporations. This can be done online or by mail, accompanied by the appropriate filing fee, which is generally around $35. There are several common reasons why corporations amend their Articles of Incorporation. These include changing the corporate name, modifying the corporation's purpose, altering the share structure, updating registered agent information, and reflecting changes in leadership roles. Let's focus on one common amendment, changing a business name in Florida. To do this, you must file an amendment to the Articles of Incorporation stating the new name. The form can be obtained from the Division of Corporations, and the filing fee is $35. Remember, your new name must be unique and meet Florida's requirements. It's important to note that after filing the amendment, you should update your corporate records, notify relevant stakeholders, and ensure all necessary changes are reflected in official documents, contracts, and licenses. In conclusion, amending your Articles of Incorporation in Florida involves a series of steps, from identifying the needed changes to filing with the state. While the process can be complex, understanding these steps and common amendment scenarios can help you navigate the process more effectively. Remember, it's always advisable to consult with a legal professional to ensure all aspects of the amendment are handled correctly, maintaining your corporation's good standing with the state.